this crazy low tide. The shell piles are out of control. I literally just stumbled upon this giant lightning whelk. He's old, but he's huge. Good condition. Pretty crab shell. There's just so much to look at. I don't know where to start. Another gorgeous piece of a calico crab. Giant leathered olive. Oh. Such nice colors. Baby ear right here. Orange horse conch. Another banded tulip. Very cute little apple murex. I guess I should get my shell rake thing out because there's another baby ear and another baby ear. So many baby ears today. Cute little shark eye and another banded tulip. A little orange horse conch. Is it alive? Yep, it's alive. We gotta rescue him. Bring him to the water. Another baby ear. Look at this giant horseshoe crab. Look at this gorgeous nutmeg. Such nice colors. Nice colored apple murex right next to it. And a banded tulip, a little broken. Beautiful hinged spiny jewel box. So pretty. A little pop of pink in the middle. And right next to it I see this big guy getting pushed around in the waves. Let's check him out. He's broken on the bottom. Nice sized lightning whelk. Small horseshoe crab. So cute. That's sad that he didn't make it. Poor little guy. Some really nicely colored olives I see in here.